This is the simple equation. So we discuss about this expression for solution of this question. So let we discuss about this expression for find the value of x. So now what should we do? This is the simple and very easy equation. We notice that here x into root over 3 by x equal to 4. So we have to solution of this equation. What have we do first? This is the cube, so both sides we have cube, power of 3. Both sides should be cube. If we follow the rules, a by b equal to a power of n and b power of n. So x into root over cube by x cube. That's this according to these rules. X cube root over cube x cube and is equal to 3 cube, 4 cube. And now what have we do? This x power of 3 into this and this are cut, and we have x equal to 4 power of 3, and this is the only x, and any kinds of letter or number have power of 1. So here power of 1, and this is the multiply x power of 3 multiply x power of 1. This is the rule. A 3 a2 into a1, that's a2 plus 1, because this a and this a are multiply. If the multiply, so power to be addition or plus. X power of 3, this is the multiply, so plus power on, and is equal to 4 power of 3. This is the addition, so x power of 4, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and equal to 4 power of 3. Now what can we do? This is 4 and power of 3. 4 power of 3 equal to 2 square, that is 2 into 2 equal to 4. 2 square equal to 4 power of 3. This is very easy and simple question now. 2 square and power of 3. If we follow the exponent rules, that is equal to a n power of m. This change this like this way. So 2 and 3 are changed. X power of 4 and is equal to this change and this over. And 2 power of 3 or 2 into 2, this is 2 times 3 times 2. 2 power of 3, 3 times of 2, 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 2 power of 3. 8 square. Now what can we do? This left side and this right side. So we take from this 8 square left side. This is the positive 8 square. So it to be negative 8 square. Minus square equal to 0. And this is x power of 4. And we have to do that x square by square, that is 4. So x square by square equal to minus 8 square equal to 0. We have noticed here that x square by square minus 8 square. That's we suppose x square equal to a and 8 equal to b. That is x square equal to a square minus 8 equal to b minus b square. That's the rules. A plus b into a minus b. We follow these rules. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b equal to 0. This is x square plus 8 equal to 0 or x square minus 8 equal to 0. Both are equal to 0, so we write it separately. What can we do that? This is the very simple and easy system. So x square plus 8 equal to 0, or x square minus 8 equal to 0. That's it's equal to 0 and it's equal to 0. So x square equal to, here the positive 8, so it's transfer from the left side to the right side to be negative. Positive 8 equal to negative 8, that 0 minus 8. X square equal to minus 8. This is the very complex equation because this is the minus. So now what do we do? And we have to do for this equation that x equal to plus or minus root over minus 8. And both sides we have to root, that square and root has gone or cut, and remain only x and equal to plus minus root over minus 8. And this is x equal to plus or minus, we write minus 8 minus 1 into plus 8 equal to minus 8. This is the same because 8 multiplied by 1 times equal to 8 and minus, that is the minus 8. So we write minus 8 equal to minus 1 into plus 8, and that's okay. And if we write separately x equal to plus or minus 8 into minus 1, that's the same, and x equal to plus or minus root over 8 equal to 2 root 2, that is 2 into root 2 equal to 8. How to possible it? That's 2, we write root 2 into root 2, and this root 2, root 2 and root 2 into a into b, a into a equal to a square. So root 2 into root 2 equal to root 2 square, and root have are cut and remained only 2, that is 2 equal to 2 times root 2, and this 1 time root 2 equal to 3 times root 2, that is root 2 cube. 2 cube equal to 8. 2 cube equal to 8. So 2, 2 and 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times. That is the 8. So root equal to 8. And we write from the root 8 to root over 2. and this is the minus 1. We know the imaginary unit. Imaginary unit, what's the imaginary unit? This is called imaginary unit. It is not the solution, it's only solution of the equation, but it is not the real solution of this question, but it makes the complex number. So minus 1 equal to the imaginary unit square. Minus 1 equal to imaginary unit square. So here imaginary square, root and square has cut, and x equal to plus or minus 2 root 2, and this is imaginary unit. So the root negative 1 has gone to right imaginary unit. That means x equal to plus and minus. Plus and minus, that is one time plus and the other times minus. That is x equal to plus 2 root over 2 imaginary unit, and x equal to minus 2 root over 2 imaginary unit. This is the x square plus 8 equal to 0 equal to that, x equal to that, and here x square minus 8 equal to 0. So x square equal to, this is the negative 8, and we remove from the left side to the right side. Negative 8 should be positive 8, so equal to 8. So x equal to plus minus 8, because this minus to be plus, and square both side of we have root, so this square cut from the x and remain x equal to plus minus root 8. X equal to plus minus root 8, that's 2. And this is possible that root cube, that is 8 equal to 2 power of 3 equal to 8, that is 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 8, and 2 times 3 times 2, this 2 power of 3 and equal to 2 square to root 2 into root 2. This 2 times root 2 square that cut, and 2 this root 2. So root over 8 equal to 2 root 2. So this is the plus and minus. So one time plus and other minus. So x equal to 2 root 2 and x equal to minus 2 root 2. And we notice that here is a plus or minus 2 root 2 and imaginary unit. That here is no, here is the only 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2. This and this is one kind of, and this is one kind of answer is x equal to. So what we have found from this equation, the value of x, we write that so x equal to 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2 and 2 root 2 imaginary unit and minus 2 root 2 imaginary unit. This is the answer of this fraction. So we have found the value of x equal to 2 root 2 and minus 2 root 2 and other 2 root 2 imaginary unit and minus 2 root 2 imaginary unit. And we have to realize about this imaginary unit. This is the mathematical rules. If have any negative and remove the negative, we use the imaginary unit that is called I. We use that to remove the minus. So here the minus, so we use the imaginary unit. So our solutions of this equation are absolutely right. Bye.